So how to disable Google Assistance or Hey Siri from your phone? Simply go to your setting and go to the Google option, then go all services, then you can see search assistance, press on Google Assistance, press on Hey Google. Now if I press on this icon, then Hey Siri open, just disable this option. Now if you press on this icon, still available. Now go back and go to the find the general option. Actually this is the general option, then just disable this option. Now if I press on this icon, it's not available. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.